Good morning students. Students, today we are going to do a very quick revision of our PA1 syllabus. So we have 4 chapters in our PA1. First is sentence, second is parts of sentence, third is noun and its kinds, and fourth one is singular and plural. So our first topic is sentence. First come to know what is sentence. A group of words is called sentence. Then how many kinds of sentence are there? There are 5 kinds of sentence. First is assertive, second is interrogative, third is imperative, fourth is exclamatory, and fifth is optative sentence. First assertive sentence, that is the simple statement. Interrogative sentences are used for asking the question. Imperative sentences shows command and request, and exclamatory sentences shows sudden feelings of mind, and optative sentence shows wish and prayer. So first assertive sentence, it has full stop in the end. Interrogative sentence has question mark in the end. Imperative sentences also have full stop in the end. Exclamatory sentences have exclamation sign, and optative sentences also have full stop. Next topic is parts of sentence. There are 2 parts of sentence. First is subject and second is predicate. So what is subject? The doer of the action is called subject. जो भी sentence में करता है, that would be subject. There are so many sentences in which subject is hidden. Imperative sentences में subject hidden होता है. Suppose stand up. In these sentences we have to understood the subject. इस तरह के sentences में हमारा subject जो होगा वो you होगा. Because we are talking to someone who is standing before us. तो हमारा उसमें imperative sentences में अगर subject hidden है तो उसमें you हमारा subject होगा. So about whom we are talking is called subject. जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, that would be subject. Now the predicate. Remaining part of the rest part of the, or we can say rest part of the sentence is called predicate. After picking the subject, जब हम subject pick कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद जो भी बचता है that would be predicate. So subject is the doer of the action and predicate is the rest part of the sentence. Next, noun and its kind. Third topic is noun. So first of all we should come to know what is noun. Noun, in short we can say noun is a naming word, or we can say noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Noun also have 5 kinds. First is proper, second is common, third is collective, fourth is material, and fifth one is abstract noun. So how we will differentiate them? First one is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Common noun is the name of person, place or thing of same kind. And material noun from the substance from which things are made, that is called material noun. ऐसा substance जिससे चीजें बनती हैं वो किस में आएगा? Material noun में. Then collective noun. Collective noun is the name of the group is called the collective noun. When we give a name to a group, that would be collective noun. And next one is the abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of feeling which we cannot see or touch but feel. That would be abstract noun. Now, next our topic is singular and plural. So what is singular? Name of one thing is singular. And what is plural? More than one is plural. So student, today we have discussed all the 4 topics related to our PA1 syllabus. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you. Have a positive day.